Which RC car is actually good for beginners? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1: Grossland Remote Control Car. First up, we have the Grossland Remote Control Car. Priced at $25.33, this little beauty caught my eye with its sleek design and colorful lights. If you want a fun, easy-to-use RC car for kids, this is worth a serious look. So why does this car stand out? For starters, it's designed specifically for younger kids aged 3 to 12. The 40 MHz controller allows them to drive it forward, backward, left, and right, making it super simple to control. Plus, it can reach speeds up to 10 km/h, which is thrilling without being overwhelming. The materials used are durable, so it can take a few bumps and scrapes while your little ones play, which is essential for kids. And don't worry about it getting stuck on the carpet. The smooth wheels really help with maneuverability around the house. Now, some parents mention that it requires 6 AA batteries. That's a bit of a hassle since they aren't included. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a toy to keep your kids entertained, this minor inconvenience is totally manageable. Just stock up on batteries. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, fun RC car for your child. But skip this one if you're looking for something that can handle more advanced tricks or outdoor use. For the price, it's a solid choice for beginners. Product number 2: Tuco Remote Control Car. Next up is the Tuco Remote Control Car, which is even more budget-friendly at $12.66. I was drawn to its compact size and bright design, making it ideal for little hands. If you're searching for an affordable starter car for toddlers, this is a great option. This RC car is designed for kids aged 3 and up, made from high-quality ABS material that won't break easily. It's lightweight and easy to control, with a built-in long-range remote that allows for smoother play. The rounded edges are a thoughtful touch, reducing the chance of injury during playtime. Plus, the speed is perfect for younger kids, giving them an exciting experience without being too fast. However, some reviews noted that the car's performance can be a bit limited on rougher terrains. Here's my take: if your kids are mostly playing indoors or on smooth surfaces, this car will serve them well. But if they want to take it outside on the grass or gravel, it might struggle a bit. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable and fun car for your little ones to enjoy inside the house. But skip this if you plan to use it primarily outdoors. For the price, it's an excellent entry-level choice. Product number 3: ACMMZAR RC Drift Car. The third pick is the ACMMZAR RC Drift Car, priced at $38. This one definitely caught my attention with its cool design and impressive specs. If you're looking for a car that can handle both speed and tricks, this might be the one for you. What really sets this car apart is its impressive 20 km/h speed and 4WD system, which makes drifting a breeze. It's designed for kids aged 8 and up, and the proportional throttle lets you control the speed, making it accessible for beginners. With a remote control distance of 50 meters, kids can race around without losing connection. Plus, it comes with 2 types of tires for different terrains, which is super handy for outdoor fun. But I should mention that some users found the setup a bit complicated for younger kids. Honestly, if your child is just starting, they might need some help getting the hang of the controls. Still, for kids who love speed and challenges, it's definitely worth it. This is perfect for kids who are ready to take their RC car experience up a notch with drifting and outdoor racing. But skip this if you need something simpler for very young children. For the performance, it's a fantastic value. Product number 4: VMIA Remote Control Stunt Car. Finally, we have the VMIA Remote Control Stunt Car, which goes for $45.61. This one offers a lot of action and excitement with its stunt capabilities. If your kids love performing tricks and stunts, this car is a must-see. This car can drive upright, move sideways, and even perform 360-degree spins, which adds a whole new layer of fun for kids aged 4 and up. The colorful lights make it visually appealing, especially when playing at night. Plus, the simple remote makes it easy for kids to control, so they can quickly start having fun. The strong motor and sturdy build mean it can tackle various terrains without falling apart, which is super important for young adventurers. The downside, some parents mention that it can be a bit noisy, which might not be great for quiet play times. Look if your kids are the adventurous type who love loud, action-packed fun that won't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for kids who want an exciting car that can do tricks and stunts, but skip this if you need something quieter or more traditional. For the features, it's definitely worth the investment. So to wrap it all up, we started with the Grossland car for pure fun, moved to the budget-friendly Tuco for younger kids, then the ACM MZAR for those looking to drift, and finally the V-Mia for stunt lovers. Each of these RC cars has its own strengths, catering to different needs and budgets. No matter which one you choose, your kids are in for some great fun.